Good morning. This is again Joseph Coronado, and previously we discussed about BPS and Hitlip. Ngayon, ang pag-usapan naman natin ngayon is how to make money online using that tool or BPS or in Hitlip. So we discussed about PTP or paid to promote. There are a lot of sites that accepting those traffic galing sa Hitlip. So let's tackle about CPM box. Ito kasi yung weekly payout to so automatic nagbabayad to sa atin. And if you have you need PayPal account para mabayaran tayo dito. So pakita ko na sa inyo yung paano to nag-work. Alright, let's start. So before, ito na yung last video natin, diba? Ito yung BPS na ginamit natin. As you can see, meron na siyang 478 minutes. Mamaya gagamitin natin to dun sa CPM box. First, register muna tayo. Alright, dito. So cpmbox.com/index.php?referrer equals zoix. I request you to use my affiliate link to register. Alright, so makikita mo naman yung link na yan dito sa video sa baba. So first, let's register. Alright, so pila pa lang natin to. Web account type, web publisher affiliate. So your username, your password, your first and last name, address, city, just fill it out. Traffic size yan, kahit siguro leave it blank na lang. Domain, any domain, or your email. And then after you sign up with this, hindi na ako mag-sign up kasi I already have an account. We will wait up to siguro maximum na 24 hours, pero basically mabilis lang to, mga 1 hour, 2 hours, depende kung online yung admin. So for example, mayroon ka ng account, so pwede ka na mag-login. Alright, so login. So go to affiliate codes here. Yeah. And go here, CPB link to promote. So get your CPB link to promote. So ito yung sa akin. Copy lang natin. Alright, so pag nakopy na natin yan, punta tayo sa BPS natin. Ito yung Hitlip. So go to websites. Alright, ito na yung sa akin, no? So i-remove ko muna para makita nyo. Nailagay ko na siya. So ang pag-add nito, basic lang. So submit website. So i-paste mo lang yung CPB link to promote mo. Tapos ito, pwede mo itong bago-baguhin. Pero I suggest 20 to 23. Okay na yan. Alright, so then submit for review. So wait lang natin to hanggang sa ma-approve. Siguro mabilis lang naman to. Alright, so wait lang natin for a couple of minutes. Alright, balikan natin. So as you can see, wala na yung being reviewed. So approved na siya. Alright, so dito sa regular Hitlip, we can add more slots. So let's boost hits. So parang nakopy lang siya. So pwede yung baguhin yung seconds dito, pwede hindi na rin. So I suggest 19 to 20 to 23. Alright, so ayan, random lang. Save. Ayan, that's it, we're done. Alright, so pag nailagay nyo na yan, balik nyo lang sa traffic exchange and then click start again. So this is a combination of BPS, Hitlip, and a CPM box. And you can see your stats on website here, kung ilan na yung na-earn nya, naka-hits. As you can see, no, meron na akong ito balance na $4. Check natin sa cash out. Ayan, current balance. This is fully automated, no. Once na set up mo na siya, pababayaan mo na, parang set and forget. as long your BPS is also running. And siguro pwede mo siya check every 2 days, every week, or it's up to you. Alright, if you have any questions and suggestions, comments, just feel free to ask me. And thank you, and God bless.